Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the camera resolution and aspect ratio on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So at first we need to open the camera application, and here if we tap these three lines over here, we do have, as you can see, megapixels. If we tap it, we can change it to 50 megapixels or 12 megapixels. Apart from that, we can change the aspect ratio by tapping this 3:4 and selecting 9:16, as you can see, 1:1 or full. I do recommend 3:4 to take the best photos. The same we can do is in the video, but here, as you can see, it's easier. If we tap that, we can change the size, which is actually the quality of our image, 8K, which is the highest resolution, UHD, which is Ultra HD resolution, FHD, which is Full HD resolution, and HD, which is the space-saving low resolution. Apart from that, here we have FPS, which is 60 and 30, UHD 60 and 30, 8K and 30. If we tap this square icon, here we do have the aspect ratio as well. In the Pro mode, as you can see, more and Pro video, here if you tap this resolution, we have more options. Here HD 120, UHD 60 and 8K 24. Here we just have more modes, more frame rates per second, etc. But that's how to change the camera resolution aspect ratio on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. That's it. Now it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.